YUV. Control pollution before it controls you.
Hey there, I'm Bhumi.
Hi, I'm Adishri.
Hello, I am Prabjot.
We, the students of the Rosary High School, are here to talk about the air surrounding us.
Understanding the air we breathe.
Air is all around us, but we can't see it. So, what is air exactly?
It's a mixture of different gases. The air in Earth's atmosphere is made up of approximately 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen.
Air also has small amounts of lots of other gases too, such as carbon dioxide, neon, and hydrogen.
While air is mostly gas, it also holds lots of tiny particles. These particles in the air are called aerosols.
Some aerosols like dust and pollen are picked up naturally when the wind blows.
But the air can also carry soot, smoke, and other particles from car exhausts and power plants. These are major contributors to air pollution.
Air pollution, a silent killer.
Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air.
Outdoor air pollution is caused by car emissions, chemical activities from factories, dust, pollen, etc.
Indoor air pollution is caused by air fresheners, wood burning stove, tobacco smoke, etc.
In fact, the indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than the outdoor air.
How does air pollution pollute us?
Exposure to high levels of air pollution can cause a variety of adverse health outcomes. It increases the risk of respiratory infections, heart diseases, and lung cancer.
Both short and long-term exposure to air pollutants have been associated with health impacts. More severe impacts affect people who are already ill. Children, the elderly, and poor people are most susceptible. The most health harmful pollutants closely associated with excessive premature mortality are fine PM 2.5 particles that penetrate deep into lung passageways.
What is the solution?
That's what YUV is for.
YUV is a mobile application that allows the users to monitor their outdoor as well as indoor air quality.
It provides different kinds of alarms to users in case the air quality is not up to the mark.
But why the name YUV?
YUV is a combination of two Sanskrit words, Vayu and Prithvi, which means air and earth respectively. In this application, we are making the users aware about the air quality around them and providing them with ways to improve the air quality.
By doing this, we are reducing the air pollution and thereby preventing the earth from getting polluted. The intention behind using a Sanskrit name is to promote the Made in India slogan.
Where can this application be used?
YUV can help in hospitals, schools, or any public places to measure the air quality and provide ways to improve it. General public can also use this app to improve their indoor air quality.
YUV will be available on the App Store and the Google Play Store for free.